Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Euclid for Nik puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Euclid for Nik is made with 3 different types of wood: acacia, purple heart and paduk. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame in such a way that none of them are gonna stick out, like you can see right now. And all 7 parts will be below this line. And now I will show you all these parts. As you can see, there are 2 types of parts. There are 4 parts that have exactly the same size, and 3 parts that also exactly the same, but this part and this part, they're a little bit different. Looking from this side, they're exactly the same, but here you will find that this one is a little bit shorter, and that is the main difference of these parts. When you try to solve this puzzle, no matter what you do, you will be able to fit maybe 4, 5 parts, maybe even 6 parts, but to put all 7 parts inside, that's going to be a real challenge, and probably going to spend a lot of time figuring out how to do that. The Euclid for Nik is the 3rd part in a series of Euclid puzzles. The first one, the original, was just Euclid, and Nick Baxter found 22 solutions of that puzzle. The next puzzle was Euclid for Kids. It has only 3 parts, and it is still very difficult to figure out the way how to put all 3 parts inside the frame. And now we have this Euclid for Nik. This puzzle has only 1 solution, and it was made special for Nick Baxter, so that he can try to solve this puzzle and say that this puzzle really has only 1 solution, but not 22 like the first version of Euclid has. So great puzzle. If you like really challenging puzzles with completely unexpected solution, this is the puzzle you have to try to solve. If you like Euclid for Nik and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.